Hello, and thanks for joining me today. My name is Patty Hughes. I'm one of the Assistant Chief Nurse Executives at UK Healthcare in Lexington, Kentucky. The title of my presentation today, Magnet Madness, Connecting the Pieces, I hope will resonate with many of you who have been on the magnet journey or are getting ready to jump on that train. At the end of this discussion, I hope that you will be able to identify how patient experience survey questions crosswalk with the magnet mission, identify methodology that aligns nursing strategy and goals with magnet requirements, identify a process to hold nursing staff accountable for their contributions to the patient experience, and identify challenges with this particular process. This activity is being presented without bias and without commercial support. As we start to go into the presentation, the first several slides, I'm going to say up front, are going to be kind of jumbled, and there's a point of these being jumbled. As we get started, I will first tell you who UK Healthcare is. UK Healthcare is located in Lexington, Kentucky. That's in the center of the state of Kentucky. We're a 945-bed organization with an academic medical center, a community hospital, and the Kentucky Children's Hospital, which is our children's hospital located within our hospital. We have approval to add about 141 additional beds, and we'll do that over the next few years. We're a level 1 trauma center, a level 4 NICU. We have over 100 clinic and outpatient procedural locations. Most of those are located within the Lexington, Fayette County area, but we do have several that are extended out in other regions or areas of the state. In fiscal year 20, we had about 40,000 hospital discharges and 2.2 million ambulatory visits. We, like many of you, are very proud of some of our awards and accomplishments. You can see those on the screen in front of you. The one that we're going to talk about primarily today is Magnet because of its importance to nursing clinical staff and its importance to the overall outcomes of our patients. So, as you all know, just to reiterate, Magnet's focus is on quality outcomes, patient experience, and the staff experience. In 2016, UK Healthcare was recognized with its first Magnet designation. In 2019, we know that the focus was more intense on some of our ambulatory clinics and outpatient procedural areas. So there were more metrics and more stories that ANCC expected to come from the ambulatory side of the house. We submitted our redesignation packet in February and expect a site visit this year. That's just kind of a little on the side for us. So as you all know, EP21EO is about patient satisfaction in the ambulatory care environment. There are 9 categories from which an organization can select, and those include patient engagement or patient-centered care, patient education, care coordination, safety, service recovery, courtesy and respect, responsiveness, pain, and careful listening. So what the Magnet Manual tells us is that we may select 4 from these 9 categories, but we need to ensure that whatever vendor we use for patient satisfaction or patient experience aligns with the categories that we choose. So we're going to jump now from Magnet to performance evaluations, and I promise in just a few minutes you're going to see where I'm going. So why do we even do performance evaluations? Well, we know that our organizations all have particular goals, and we hope that individual job objectives and requirements can get us to those goals. We want to be able to communicate regularly with staff about their performance. We want to be able to give them feedback, and coach them if they are not meeting their particular job objectives and requirements.